Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Wednesday. It's a clear start to the day over the northern parts of South Africa. It's going to be a sunny afternoon as well, and it's slowly but surely becoming warmer countrywide. We're expecting bergwind conditions in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, while it will become windy this afternoon in the Northern Cape, with high cloud moving in ahead of an advancing cold front. This frontal system only makes landfall on Thursday, but we're expecting it to become cloudy in Cape Town by this evening. Nevertheless, we're keeping the forecast for South Africa dry. The South African Weather Service issued a warning for a high fire danger today over the western interior of the Eastern Cape and in the central and Little Karoo. That's due to warm, dry and windy conditions, so do exercise the necessary caution. We're expecting a warm afternoon along the east coast and adjacent interior, highs of 26 in Bishu and Port Elizabeth, 27 degrees in East London and Pietermaritzburg. It's going to be warm in the Lowveld as well, Bombela reaching 25, 23 degrees in Mahikeng and Johannesburg with a maximum of 19, 22 in Kimberley this afternoon, Vredendal at 29, and it's going to be slightly cooler than on Tuesday afternoon in Cape Town with a maximum of 20. Let's take a look at the wind forecast for today. Northwesterlies become fresh in the vicinity of Langebaan, but will stay light along the west coast with an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters. Stronger winds are likely along the southwest coast as well. Average wind speeds of 35 kilometers per hour between Cape Town and Cape Agulhas. There's an open ocean swell of only 1.5 meters, and high tide is expected shortly before 6:30 this evening. Along the south coast, light winds likely between Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay. Stronger winds though towards Port Elizabeth. Offshore winds, northwesterlies up to 25 kilometers per hour, and that's what's contributing to the pleasant daytime temperature. There's an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters. Along the east coast, beautiful weather to be outdoors. A northeasterly up to 20 kilometers per hour along the Wild Coast, offshore winds in East London, and light northeasterlies in Durban and Richards Bay with a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com